Okay, in the last skill we looked at missing quantities in a ratio. This is where we've been given a ratio, we know what one person gets and we need to work out what the other person gets. Here it's slightly different because we know the total amount and now we're trying to work out what one person or what each person gets. So here in the first example we've got £105 which is being shared between two people in the ratio of 3 to 4. So we're going to again just show what that looks like using a box model. So first person, let's call them A, gets these 3 boxes. The second person, let's call them B, gets 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are my 4 boxes for B. Now, you know that you're sharing £105 between those people. So first thing I'm going to do is look at how many boxes I've got in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to do 105 divided by 7. So 7 goes into 105, 7 into 10 goes once, remainder 3, 7 into 35 goes 5 times. So I know that there must be 15 in each box. So all I now need to do is look at how much in total has gone to A and how much in total has gone to B. Well, to A I've got 15, 15, 15, which is 45. And to B I've gone 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, which is 60. And what we should see is that in total 45 plus 60 gave me £105, that these are in the ratio of 3 to 4. So if I divided both by 15 I get 3 and 4, so it is in the ratio of 3 to 4. So that's using a box model. If I were to do it without using my boxes, all I would need to do, write my ratio, A to B, in the ratio of 3 to 4, add them together, 3 plus 4 equals 7, gives me my 7 parts in total. 105 divided by 7 equals 15, and that tells me that I need to multiply my ratio by 15 to tell me what each person gets. 3 times 15 is 45, 4 times 15 is 60. So you should be able to see that whether I do it just using calculations or whether I do it using the box method is exactly the same. Okay, I'm going to look at a GCSE question. So Anna and Ben buy a £2 lottery ticket. Anna pays £1.20 and Ben pays the rest. They win and they get £5 million. They share it in the ratio of how much they spent on the ticket. How much does Anna get? So we're going to start by setting that out as a ratio. So I've got Anna to Ben. Anna pays £1.20, so I'm going to put that as 120. Ben pays the rest, so Ben must pay 80 pence. I should be able to see that that is not in its simplest form. In fact, I can divide both of those by 40. So for every 3 pence that Anna puts in, Ben puts in 2 pence. And again, like in the previous skill, it's much easier to work with our ratios once they're in simplest form. So they agree to share 5 million in this ratio. So we know, here's my ratio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 boxes to Anna, 2 boxes to Ben. In total it's 5 million, so it's 1 in each box. How much does Anna get? She gets 1, 2, 3, £3 million. Not a bad amount of money for putting £1.20 into a lottery ticket. And there is your solution. Alright, pause the video now while you write down those worked examples, and then there's some questions for you to try yourselves. Okay, so here are some questions for you to try. The first 2 are fairly simple, just dividing into a ratio. After the questions C and D are into a 3-part ratio, so just watch out there. Same method, but just with 3 parts. E and F, you're going to have to do something with unit, because you've got 1 day and you've got £12. Questions G and H are exam style questions, so multi-stage, make sure you show you're working clearly. Okay, pause the video now while you have a go at those questions. Okay, so for the first one, 1 plus 4 gave you 5. So you're going to do 360 divided by 5 is 72. Multiplying the ratio by 72 gives you 72 to 288. 352 to 448. Here we've got a three-part ratio. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. So 40 divided by 8 is 5. Times the ratio by 5 gave you 5, 15 and 20. Doing the same thing here. We've got 11, 22 and 132. Here you can't do 1 divided by 3 without going into decimals, so you're going to change it to 24 hours. 24 divided by 3 is 8, so it gives you 8 hours and 16 hours. Here you're going to change your £12 into pence, so it's 1,200 pence. 7 plus 17 is 24, so you're going to times everything by 50 pence. 7 times 50 gives you 350. 17 times 50 gives you 850. Changing it back into pounds, £3.50 and £8.50. Okay, we're going to have a look at the GCSE style questions together. So I've got the ratio of adults to children at a concert is 4 to 11, and I've got 6,300 people attending. So I'm going to do 4 plus 11 equals 15, and then I've got 6,300 divided by 15. 6,300 divided by 15 gives me an answer of 420. So I need to multiply my ratio by 420. So I've got adults to children as 4 to 11, timesing both by 420. 4 times 420, 840, 1,680 adults. And 11 times 420 gives me 4,620 children. Notice if I add those together, I should get back to my 6,300. So, adult tickets cost £25, so I've got 1,680 times by 25. I'm going to reach my calculator here. 1680 times by 25 gives me £42,000. So they get £42,000 from the adult tickets, and we've got 4,620 times 15 gives me 69,300. So 4,620 times by 15 gives me 69,300, and that's for the child tickets. Add them together, gives me my total amount of money from the concert, and the total amount of money from the concert gives me an answer of £111,300. Now, on a GCSE question, that would probably be worth either 4 or 5 marks, so really worth making sure that you understand each step in the calculation. Let's take a look then at H. I've got ratio of 2 to 3, I've got 3 litres. So what I'm going to do is change that to millilitres. It's going to be easier for me, so I've got 3,000 divided by 2 plus 3, which is 5, is 600 millilitres. So I'm timesing everything by 600, so I've got OJ to lemonade in the ratio of 2 to 3, times by 600 gives me 1,200 to 1,800 millilitres, or 1.2 litres to 1.8 litres. So I need 1.2 litres of orange juice, so it's 1.2 times £1.20. I need 1.8 litres of lemonade times 0.8. Add them together, and I should have my final answer. 1.2 times 1.2 is going to give me £1.44. 1.8 times 0.8 is again going to give me £1.44. So I spend exactly the same amount on the orange juice and on the lemonade, even though I've got more lemonade. Altogether, it cost me £2.88. Again, probably a 4-mark question. This could come up in the calculator or the non-calculator paper, as could this. Okay, very well done. If you need any more assistance on that topic, please take a look at sharing in a ratio. Give yourself a mark, please, out of 8 for me.